Hello, Cancer. Welcome to Happy Soul Journey. So, the first card is already out, and I was just about to ask you that have you listened to me, that you stayed there in this energy? I think many of you. And if you're new to my channel, I would like to tell you that last month I told Cancers to stay there in the high vibing energy, and I think they are getting something out of it. If not something materialistic, something emotional, something which is filling up their cups, something which is boosting up their confidence, something which is making them feel like a royalty, or someone who is making them feel like a royalty. Okay, things are going right. If not outside, it's inside. Okay, so if you haven't done that, and if you have removed that yourself from the high vibing for any of the reason, then I would like to tell you again that stay there, Cancer, because you'll see that how much happiness and growth you will see. Happiness, growth, confidence, boosting up the confidence. That's what I was talking about. Boosting up the confidence, boosting up the things that, and new things. Three major arcanas are coming together, but this was not showing its face until I talked about the Empress and Strength. Why? Because you need to feel that royalty, you need to feel that confidence, and then you can start a new journey, a new project, a new relationship, a new way to see the life. Okay, a new way to see the life, which with more clarity, with more perfection in your sight and in your ways that how you handle things. So these major arcanas are telling you that be there, stay. Oh my god, Cancers are just like 4 major arcanas with 9 of cups. Now the center card is saying you have the magic, and now you want to use that magic for your good, for your bad, for others good, for others bad. It's all up to you. It's all up to you that what you want to do about it. You want to be a manipulative person for your good, okay, just for your good, or you want to be a magician who just brings happiness to everyone's life, including you. What you want to do, it's all your decision. You are coming out as very powerful in the March, very powerful, and I'm still reading it in the February, so that's why 9 of Cups is very apt, that we are still vibing high, girl. So I'm just saying that be there, stay there, and you will get to see a lot of stuff that was seems to be very difficult to you, but it was easy in some ways. Support, stability, celebration, everything wants to come towards you. It's just that what you want to view, how you want to view it, what's your vision. What's your vision when you are high vibing? You know what happens when we are high vibing, Cancers? We can dream things which are like, which are big, which are unrealistic to many people, which are good for your soul pathway, your soul path, purpose. And when you are high vibing with this kind of energy, and you are high vibing from a long time, you can actually hold that vision and you can work towards it, because you are getting the support from everyone, from the universe, from the people around you, and from your own self, your confidence, your royalty, your feeling. Cancers are feeling good. They can do anything. Anything they set their mind to. And they can get anyone they want truly. They truly want. It's not just about ego. It's about what you truly want. Truly want. And if you don't truly want it, the night when you are not sleeping because of your dreams, it will become a nightmare. But if you truly want that thing, the night when you are working and when you are thinking, when you are planning, when you are thinking, when you are planning, it will become a worthwhile night. It will become a sweet night. Sweet night when someone is there, when maybe just your own self is there to offer you some water, offer you some drink, offer you some food, offer you some comfort in the night, in the dark time, in the impossibility, in the uncertainty that you don't want to see. Maybe sometimes it scares you sometimes, that you don't want to see, that you think like, no, it's not possible, but your confidence, the thing, the high vibing, your support person will bring you the water and say, relax, chill, we can do it, it's possible. Yep, the growth can be possible. And this is just a whisper from someone who loves you, a whisper from your own soul. It's just a whisper. Don't worry, everything will be fine. It's just a whisper. And I think you will listen to it. Yeah? You will listen to it. And you will persevere. And you will go the distance where you want to go. Okay, Cancer? Let me show you cards from this point of view so that you can see what I'm saying in a much better way. Maybe you are seeing all those things in a reverse manner, in a blog manner, but let me show you in the front view. Okay? So hi Cancer, can you see the yellow here, the motivation here, the positivity here? This much of yellow, this much of positivity, this much of sunshine is telling you that you can, all this thing is very heavy on this one thing, like this doubt, this negativity, this small thing. Everything is just serving him or it that this can happen. You can get it. You can get everything you want, everything which is good for your soul. You can get everything. You can get communications, you can get offers, you can get surprises, you can get some shifts in your life that you want, some changes in your life that you want. And change will come with patience. Patience to have faith. To have faith and move on towards the 9 of Cups. That's all we want. Yep. Something which you thought in the past or in your childhood that I want it, I want to get it, I want this, I want that, and it all seemed very vague to you. You can get to that point now. Slowly. And this slow, this slow steps takes patience, but it reaps you reward. I'm seeing Cancers as the turtle in the race with the rabbits in this world. But everybody knows that the tortoise win. And you will win. You will get those things. Just be confident in you and work on your pathway and be the person who brings happiness to you and as much as possible to others. You can be very manipulative right now, Cancers, because you are getting that power. You are getting that thing in a very I'm feeling like, this can bring you things, but this magician seems to me very, very manipulative and deceptive for its own good. I just want to say, don't do something which you regret later. So even if the pathway is slow, don't deceive others. Okay, because when you don't accept others, you will get the support from not just, it's not about that those people will support you. You'll get the support from someone. Okay, you will get the support, you will get that whisper, you will get that vision, you will get that, hunch that, I want to go in that, on that pathway. You will get the advices, the best kind of advices. Just that, don't deceive someone, don't lie to someone. I don't know why I'm feeling like the Cancers are about to lie to someone. I don't want you to lie here, because maybe your truth will win you some good people in your life, no matter how hard it is. And it will bring you to a point where you are having the big vision and you're working for it. So stop lying to someone just because it's good for you. Don't do that. Even if the pathway is slow, it will reap you a lot of good rewards. Trust me. You're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Sagittarius and the Scorpio and Sagittarius. Okay, let's talk about some people in your life. So if you are dealing with a Leo or Taurus, it is happy time for both of you. If you are dealing with a Gemini, Cancers, they can lie to you about something, but they don't want bad for you. Okay, I'm seeing that the Geminis can lie to you about something. It will go heavy on your heart and also heavy on their own heart, but they don't want anything bad with you. Okay, if it's about Scorpio, the Scorpio is very patient, and which is very hard for the Scorpios. And if it's about Sagittarius, there's time to change. There's a need of some change in the situation. Either the cutting off, which I'm not seeing. I'm not seeing that you are cutting off anyone out of your life. No matter, I'm seeing this 8 of Cups. I'm not seeing that anyone is going out of the equation. But I'm seeing the change is happening in the Sagittarius. It will take some more time. Okay, and I'm also seeing a reconciliation with a Virgo or a Earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. Reconciliation. It could be a friend or it could be a love situation. Okay, as far as family is concerned, I'm seeing the support from your family. It's just that, say what you want, speak it out. Okay, and trust that you will get it. No matter someone will say no, or someone will say, this is not good for you kind of situation. But the thing is that they support you. They just want good things for you. They support you in a large vision, not for just one thing. Okay? Scorpio is, Scorpio is being patient with you. Even into the uncertainty, they are not sure about you maybe, or they're not sure where this thing is going or what will happen between both of you, but still they want to walk on this path. Okay, and for the single Cancers, work on your career. The day your career will be sorted, the day you will one step ahead in your career, things will come and you will get a Emperor kind of energy, someone who is supportive, someone who is strong and who will heal you from your past. Okay, healing from your past. So work on your career. Things will come out strong and good. Some stable stuff will come once you will one up ahead in your career. So work on your career, the single Cancers. Okay, so that's that, Cancer. Let me know how it resonated with you. If you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe to my channel. If you want a personal reading, every information is in the description box below. Go there and check that out and contact with me. Anything else? So I'm doing some shift to my channel. I will do monthly reading twice, like bi-monthly readings I'll do on my channel for all the 12 zodiac sign, and things will let me see how things will unfold. So I would love if you join me on this journey where I am shifting my channel and shifting towards the thing that now I want for my channel. Okay, so ta-da, bye, and see you later in the next reading. Bye, Cancers. If you want to check out for your sun, moon, or rising or other things, then all the links will be in the description box below for the month. So go there and check that out.